In this video, I'll show you how to share a post on Facebook using your phone. Sharing a post allows you to repost content from your feed to your own timeline so your friends or followers can see it. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, scroll through your feed until you find the post you want to share. Under the post, you will see options such as like, comment, and share. Tap the share button located below the post. A menu will appear with different sharing options. To post it on your timeline, tap Share to your feed. A new screen will open where you can add your own message if you want to say something about the post. You can type a caption or leave it blank. Next, check the audience setting at the top and choose who can see your shared post, such as public or friends. Once everything is ready, tap Post to share it. The post will now appear on your timeline and people who can see it will be able to like, comment, or share it again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.